Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DKNG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very nice move here, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the video previously, but I talked about how that resistance trend line had, shown up, but this morning got a good solid gap up through that trend line, which suggested that there was a trend line break. And then from there, did a great job of not necessarily continuing to go up, but at least maintained itself, meaning, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while. I'm sure you've seen stocks that break trend lines, then all of a sudden just go right back to where they were. But that didn't happen here. In fact, the price came down here and bounced off that trend line on a couple different instances. So a fantastic example of a trend line resistance now behaving as support. But that's going to be the context of things. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that line now. It served its purpose. But again, that's the context moving forward, is that there's been this trend line break. So that brings about one of the newest areas of support, what I would call the ideal level, right up here at 48.25. Ideal meaning if you were to ask, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? And ideally speaking, if the price could stay above 48.25, that would be a fantastic sign of strength. With that being said, it's not like if the price falls below that area, then that implies that the entire chart is epically destroyed or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to actually stay up above that area, that would be a great sign of power moving forward. Looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher, which is very helpful because when it comes to gauging the health of the overall move, that right there being defined as the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you best visualize that? That is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above that level would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance, nothing fancy here. Partying momentum stopped today right up there at basically that $50 mark. So keep a close eye on 50 as that'll be public enemy number one moving forward. But all in all, the uptrend continues. So let's see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.